Johnny Trash is driving his car along a straight road at 44 meters per second. What is that? Horizontal velocity, right? Vx is 44 meters per second. It rolls off a cliff 150 meters and lands on the jagged rocks below. What is that 150 meters? That is dy. So let's draw a picture. I don't care if you draw a car or not. That's what I'm interested in. What was I given? dy. And I was given the velocity. I bet I'm going to have to find dx. I bet I am. Let's see what I'm going to find. How long was it in the air? How fast was the car initially moving in the x direction? How fast was the car initially moving in the y direction? We are not going to do number 13, and we are not going to do number 14. Mark through those. That came off of my pre-AP test from last year. You're not doing 13 and 14. You're also not going to do 19 and 20, so you could go ahead and mark through those. Then 15 says, how far from the edge of the cliff? So we have 4 things that we're going to find on this problem. If I have dy, what's the first thing that I could find? Time. And since time is the thing that relates x and y, that's a good thing for me to find first. What is dy? 150, right? 9.8. So 300 divided by 9.8. Take the square root. What do we get? Is it 5.53 seconds? I think it is. Say that again. I'm going to put them on the test. I'm going to put them on the test for you. Okay? Now, this is only a horizontally launched problem. So do I have to worry about multiplying this one by 2? No, because it's only coming from the maximum. It didn't have to go up to the maximum. So I'm not going to multiply this by 2. Okay, I'm going to erase the work. How? Because I only have half a parabola.
Okay.
All right? What was the initial velocity in the x direction? Do I have to calculate anything? No, what is it? It's 44. Burrow, would you be that easy and give me the information in the problem and make that an answer? Yes, I would. And yes, I will. Initial velocity in the y direction. Do I have to calculate anything? Okay, if I'm standing on the cliff right here and I'm about to let something go, I'm not going to throw it, I'm just going to let it go. What's the initial velocity in the y direction? 0. The acceleration is 9.8, but the velocity is 0. Last thing, the easiest thing to find, but the thing we have to find last. How do I find dx? Vx times t. Was I given Vx? Yep. Did I calculate t? I sure did. What's 44 times 5.53? Say it one more time. 243.3 meters. Can we do that problem tomorrow? I don't think Johnny Trash is going to be on the test tomorrow. I think Sailor Twift is going to be on the test tomorrow. Are we good?